I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where I say the I ams, the encouraging words, inspirational and motivational words to keep us uplifted. And you will learn something new here. I appreciate you kindly for stopping by. I'm using the Mcgrath Celestial palette. It came out many Christmases ago. I am just playing with makeup today. I don't have a specific look in mind. I just now want to play with a lot of colors. It is not very colorful, but there's some really pretty shimmers in there. I'm using a brown on here in my crease and a little above it. There is a light pink in here. I'm putting it in the brow bone. There's a nice plum in here. I'm taking it and I'm putting it on my lids. I want to use a couple of the shimmers, so I'm going to put my glitter glue and then I will start applying the shimmers. I'm starting with my first shimmer. It's like a bronze color. It is very pretty. Next to it, I'm going with a green shimmer. These shimmers are so gorgeous. I did not do my face first because just in case of fallout, I've used the palette before and I've had fallouts. So I wanted to make sure I'm not sparkly all over today, but just my eyes. See how pretty this green is? I'm going into another shimmer and see it looks like this one right here, although they look different in the pan. But this one is more orangey and this one is more bronzy. So you can see the difference, more orangey, more bronzy. I'm going into one other shimmer and that's a dark one. I'm putting it in the outer corner. It's like a shimmer dark mixed with purple. This is gorgeous. I did get a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to clean that up and reveal the final look. My lipstick today is called Fever by Medusa Makeup. Today's eye look. I have 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. I use this palette by Mcgrath. This is what the inside looks like. I will be playing with this again. I want to do a couple single eyeshadows and a couple double eyeshadow. I want to do a couple more looks with this palette. Today's encouraging motivational word says, I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. That is the encouraging word for today. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. If you need help, please seek help. During that time of year, especially, more people get depressed because loved ones are not close by or are no longer here. So I'm asking you, please, if you need help, seek help. And until I see you and you see me, remember to love you more. Love you more. The more you love yourself, the more you'll be able to give out love to others. And it will be real and genuine. Because if you don't love yourself, you cannot love another. That's just all it is. If you don't love you, you cannot love another. I don't care what people say. If you cannot love yourself, you cannot love somebody else. That's just how it is. Because love gives love. Emptiness gives emptiness. If your bucket is empty, unless somebody fill it in for you or you fill it in, it does not get full. So if you don't have love, you cannot give love. You might tell somebody, oh, I love you, but that doesn't mean anything because you are empty. So remember to love you a little bit more. I will see you in the next video. Until then, hype this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, let's talk in the comments, and today's look again. Bye.